welcome to today's live video. We're going to be doing, in the sunshine, it's glorious, I hope you're all enjoying it, a Lego challenge volcano explosion. So Freddie made the volcano last week. Zoom in on it. So we've got our volcano made out of Lego, so you can do that. It won't take you too long. You can do it any size. You can do it bigger, or you can do it smaller. But you've got to remember that whatever pot you put in there, you need to be able to fit the pot in there, okay? So I put ours on a tray so that we don't ruin the lovely grass and it's less messy. If you haven't got a garden, you can do it on the patio or something like that, but just make sure you have, because if you put food colouring in it, it gets a bit messy, so make sure you've got a tray. Okay, so the ingredients we're using today are baking powder, we've got vinegar, food colouring, we've got red to make it look like the volcano is erupting, and then we've got some dish soap, which is what the Americans call it, but we call it washing up liquid, don't we? Okay, so the first step is putting 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda into your little pot. Okay, so pop your pot in the middle, get a teaspoon. So teaspoons, not tablespoons, sorry. So I'm going to put 3 in because we've only got a little pot. If you've got a bigger water bottle or something like that that you want to do yours with, you might need 4 in there. So I'm going to put 3 of those in. Okay, and the next step is to put the food colouring in. If you haven't got any food colouring, it'll still work. It just means that you won't have it colourful. It just means that it will be like a foam white explosion, okay? So I'm putting the red in there, just a couple of drops. You don't need to mix it or anything, you just need to make sure that it gets in the pot. And then 1 drop of fairy liquid. Again, it depends how big your pot is. Okay, I think that's enough of that. And now for the exciting bit, the explosion of the lava. So you might want to get closer for this bit. So you pour in, you should be using white vinegar, but I've only got normal vinegar. So if you're not able to get to the shops, I know that they only sell white vinegar in Asda, and the main big one. I've been to the little one today, they don't have it. But if you've got, is that the cat? Say hello. Bonnie, say hello. Meow. Bonnie, say meow. Back to the experiment. If you've got normal vinegar, that'll work as well. So here we go, here it goes, the lava explosion. Just keep pouring it in until it all erupts. Get nice and close. We have it. The lava is exploding. So depending on how high your volcano is, you might want it to seep over a bit more, so you might want to make it smaller. Can you see all that lovely red food colouring coming out as the lava? Fantastic. So the white vinegar works a little bit better reacting with the baking soda, so if you can get your hands on some of that, it will be better. Everything you need to know is on the educational pack. If you've got any questions, we're on Facebook, so just drop us a message. I know that Miss Ellie's volcano explosion is on there, the video. And this one, there's a link to this also, the Lego challenge, where it shows the step-by-step Lego building. Good luck. Look, you can still see it's still exploding. The lava is still, and it's all seeping through, so make sure you put it on a tray. Have fun, bees. Stay safe. I'll see you all soon. Bye.